House today on Saturday, February 17th in Arvada. It's the very popular Allendale neighborhood. The address is 6133 Lewis Court, 80003 is the zip code. Great location. It's easy to get on I-70, easy to go up to Boulder even. And there's a lot of great Arvada amenities nearby, parks, the schools are great too. It's a quiet street. But one thing I wanted to show you today on this mid-mod home, it's a ranch model, and the main floor has 3 bedrooms, and you can see this behind me. If I can zoom and get the angle right, you can see the brush strokes. This room probably has an antique light fixture. We've all seen those, if you think back. And this room has a different brush stroke. It's what I'd call herringbone. These mid-mod homes have a lot of leftover character from the era that I feel is great maintaining. And then you can have another quick look around. It's 3 bedrooms. These hardwood floors are the 1.5 to 2-inch planking, and they've retained their quality. Full bathroom on the main floor. Now, if you're considering a remodel on anything like this, you can open up this living room with a fireplace, stairwell to the kitchen, and it actually has an extended dining room over here. So there is a lot you can do with this. But the great thing is that it's fine. It's updated. It's got some modern features. I know it's painted cabinets, tile countertops, but it feels good. This homeowner loves their home, and they've even done these built-ins. They're prefab, but they're mounted to the wall and done great. I like the garage. I know it's a 1-car garage, brand new looking steel door, but check this out. You see the line? That's the end of the regular part of the garage. This is a full workshop in the back of the home. Classic original looking door. Level backyard. There's a big maple. Flat. Oh, check it out. There's a hammock. There's a little nook. And then there's a fire pit. Updated AC unit. The exterior of this has been painted. And you even have a covered patio. So when it's raining outside, you can sit here and enjoy a little bit of your backyard. Stay tuned. We'll go downstairs into the basement here. Hey, how's it going?